OMG, Kitsune Island, Kitsune Island, OMG, Kitsune Island, OMG, Kitsune Island, Kitsune Island, holy crap, Kitsune Island, let's go, Kitsune Island, Kitsune Island, Kitsune Island, Kitsune Island, OMG. Kitsune Island. Let's go. Finally, I got to see Kitsune Island. Yeah, this is real. This is not, I'm not dreaming actually. I actually recorded. Oh my god, Kitsune Island. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Kitsune Island. Danger level 6. I'm actually in danger level 6. Finally, I got to see Kitsune Island. See, once I go back, Kitsune Island. Oh my god! I knew the blue moon was something, and it was Kitsune Island. Oh my god, Kitsune Island is so cool. I'm the only one here, lol. Oh, he is here. Oh, he is swimming. He has a Kitsune fruit. He is actually swimming. Oh, Blackfish fire. Oh my god, he's something. Oh my god, he's something. Hey, where are you going? Dude, where are you going? Kitsune Island is so cool. Kitsune Island is actually so cool. Kitsune Island is the best. Okay, bye-bye guys. Bye! See you again in the next video. I'm going to record my voice now. See ya!